In the world of high-performance SUVs, every component plays a critical role in how the vehicle drives, responds, and ultimately delivers the experience you expect. One component that often goes unnoticed but is absolutely essential to engine performance is the fuel injection pump. Specifically, we're looking at the generic fuel injection pump LR006735, LR009737, LR010136, LR01018995, WS4025482C200031806H4Q9B395BG, designed to be compatible with the Land Rover Range Rover Sport. A fuel injection pump isn't just a minor part duct under the hood, it's responsible for delivering fuel to the engine cylinders at precise pressure and timing. Without it, the engine cannot achieve optimal combustion, which impacts power, efficiency, and overall performance. For an SUV like the Range Rover Sport, where performance and refinement are key, a malfunctioning fuel injection pump can dramatically affect the driving experience. This specific replacement pump covers multiple part numbers, including LR006735, LR009737, LR010136, LR010189, 5WS40254, A2C2000318, and 6H4Q9B395BG, making it highly versatile for a variety of engine setups. That means you don't have to worry about compatibility issues or guessing if it will work with your vehicle. It's engineered to match the original specifications, ensuring seamless installation and reliable operation. Precision is the hallmark of this pump. Modern engines rely on exact fuel delivery to maintain power, fuel efficiency, and emission standards. This pump provides consistent high-pressure fuel injection, ensuring that combustion is optimized for performance. Drivers will notice smoother acceleration, improved throttle response, and more consistent power delivery during both city and highway driving. Cold starts, often a challenge for diesel engines, are handled efficiently by this pump. By maintaining precise fuel pressure and flow, it ensures that the engine ignites quickly and reliably even in low temperatures. That translates to fewer starting issues, less wear on engine components, and more reliable daily performance. Durability is another standout feature. The Range Rover Sport isn't limited to smooth highways, it's built to handle demanding conditions, including rough roads and off-road adventures. This fuel injection pump is designed to endure continuous operation under high pressure, resisting wear and maintaining optimal performance over time. It's a long-term solution that provides reliability and peace of mind. Performance improvements extend beyond power and acceleration. A properly functioning fuel injection pump contributes to cleaner fuel combustion, which helps reduce harmful emissions. That means less black smoke from the exhaust, improved environmental compliance, and a more efficient fuel system. For owners who value both performance and sustainability, this is a significant advantage. Knowing when to replace the fuel injection pump is crucial. Symptoms of a failing pump can include difficulty starting the engine, rough idling, sudden loss of power, higher fuel consumption, or excessive smoke. Ignoring these signs can lead to more severe engine issues and costly repairs. Installing a high-quality replacement like this one ensures that your engine continues to run smoothly and efficiently. Another major benefit of this pump is cost-effectiveness. While OEM Land Rover parts can carry premium prices, this generic pump offers full compatibility and reliable performance at a more affordable rate. It's a practical option for drivers who want to maintain their SUV without overspending on parts. Installation is designed to be straightforward. The pump matches the original specifications, so it can be replaced without modifying the engine system. Professional mechanics will find it simple to install, and experienced DIY enthusiasts with the right tools can also manage the replacement. This means less downtime for the vehicle and a hassle-free installation experience. Reliability, precision, and durability come together in this fuel injection pump to ensure that your Range Rover Sport continues to deliver the performance you expect. Every time you drive, you can count on smooth acceleration, consistent power delivery, and optimized fuel efficiency.